Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Antonia. I'm going into my third year of medical school in the UK and I normally do videos about medicine, but I've got a bit of a different video today. So I went to the Apple store with a family and I decided to get myself a new laptop and some headphones. So that's what's inside here. Basically, I just needed to get a new laptop because for the first 2 years of uni, I've been carrying around my 15-inch HP laptop and honestly, my back is aching, my bags are screaming, seams are ripping because the laptop is just too heavy for the bag. I just want something a bit more portable and I've been looking at MacBooks for literally years. So I decided that today was the day to go and actually just splash out on one. So I'll be doing like a little unboxing video. So Apple do this deal. So before everyone goes off to uni or to college, they do a deal where you can get some money off MacBook Pros and Airs, and you can get a free pair of Beats as well. So I decided to go for that deal. Apple literally just refreshed the MacBook Pros and Airs for 2019, so I decided to get myself a new laptop. So I'll just show you guys the Beats I got. With the Beats, I'm not completely sure if I'm going to keep them or not because I already have headphones that work, but yeah. These are in this little bag here, and yeah, you could get any pair of Beats with the MacBooks, but these ones cost the most. They're the Beats Studio. I just got the black and gold, and if you guys can see it properly because the light from my window is reflecting off the cellophane, but yeah, they're just in this black and gold design. Haven't decided what I'm going to do with them yet, but they're the Studio, so they go over your ears as opposed to like on your ears. And yeah, these are the Beats I got. Now onto the main event. So like I mentioned, I got myself a new laptop, which is in this bag here. I'll bring it out. So I got the MacBook Pro. I got the 256 gig model because I didn't want to have to worry about getting an external hard drive anytime soon. It's the 2019 like refreshed model because they're literally selling the 2019 model for the same price as they were selling the 2017 one like a week ago. So I just thought I'd go and get this, and now I'll unbox it. I'm so excited. So this is the laptop. Let me just get close so you guys can hear that beautiful, how smooth that is. Oh, I don't know, I'm such an Apple fan girl, I can't lie to you. So I'm just gonna take off this wrap and then you get the box itself. I'm so excited to open this up. So I'm just gonna take the lid off now. I switched to this angle so you can get a better view of everything. So that's my laptop in there. Isn't it beautiful? I'm just gonna take my laptop out and ooh, it's so light as well. I'm just gonna take it out and show you guys what's in the box. So this is what comes inside the box. We've got like all the Apple information that's inside here, which I'm not gonna open up now because it's just gonna be the basic stuff about the product. But next we've got the USB-C charger, and we've got the charging brick here. So I'm actually from the UK, but my family lives in Canada. So obviously I've got like the USA/Canadian ports there, but I've got an adapter, so all of that's fine. I like the fact that it's a USB-C cable as well because it's a fast charger. It should charge my beautiful, beautiful MacBook Pro faster. So that's everything in the box. I'm just gonna put everything back and show you guys the main event. So this is it. So I'm just gonna open it up. I just like 10 out of 10 for the packaging as well from Apple because oh my goodness, everything's just so seamless and smooth to open up. But yeah, this is it. I'm scared to touch it. I don't want to get any fingerprints on it, but this is it. You guys are gonna get to see my laptop before I'm gonna get to even see it. So and it's already turning on. Ooh. Okay. So I'm just gonna set up the laptop and then I'll get back to you guys. Hi guys, so a little update. It's about like a week and a bit after I've got this beautiful, beautiful laptop. I've just spent the week kind of trying to learn it a bit, which has been interesting. Like I've used iPhones for a while. I have an iPad I've used other Apple products, but this is the first time I've used the MacBook as my personal computer, and it's been really good. Steep learning curve going from PC to Mac, but definitely a fantastic laptop. Definitely a fantastic experience as well. If you guys want, like, I can do a little like 1 month review whether I think it's worth it. But yeah, I really love this laptop, and I'm just gonna spend some more time on it because that's basically what I've been doing for the past week and a bit. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section below if you have any video requests, like related to, you know, my MacBook, related to medicine, university, anything. So drop it down in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.